have your phones up and
yeah, I know.
And we can just walk past with like nothing on.
Red phone. Are you good?
My bad. I ain't even know your phone was sitting up there like that. I thought it was like. Is that what you just said? When I was on that game?
Yeah.
You ain't saying no. You gotta move too, cause you ain't like. No, I was good.
Good.
No, I was good, but I thought.
What flavor hot dogs these is?
Did we get ketchup and mustard?
Barbecue sauce. It's a spoon. You gotta get a spoon and dip it. When I tell you, shorty. Oh, yeah.
Ketchup and mustard. Ketchup and mustard.
These motherfuckers hit different.
Almost got her beans.
I don't know what the fuck type of hot dog you got. So you got the ketchup throw that out here.
I know. Yeah, you see what I'm doing? Like, I don't want you to take my plate. I'm covering myself.
How many times he done dog Sue ass out and she right back over there? You try.
A water. Hey, Harmony. I love y'all too, honey. No, Miss Nella, girl, you see me? You got me. You on my dick. Calm down. No, I'm not from the Chi. I'm from Philly. I think, no, I'm not, Keith in here cooking now. These hot dogs, y'all. These y'all. I ain't even put no barbecue sauce on them. Like
these bitches go crazy.
They all juicy.
Man.
Hey, Miss Dolores. Hey, Miss Janice.
What? Hot dog. What hot dogs?
They said what kind of hot dogs is these? You know the brand. I don't know. Beef.
It's the low self-esteem for me.
He said they all the same.
Where the hot dogs go?
No, he put them back out there. He put the top on them.
Oh, yeah, fine. Right.
You want to say I know where you eat them all? Not that fast, man.
God. That's what I thought. Thank you, Miss Janice.
Somebody put her thing together?
Where am I going?
Did she say it feels the massage and stuff?
Down the beach. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love, Miss Janice. Just seen you a sweatshirt, huh? Y'all finna start doing the hoodies and shit again. It's about that time. Six one, Nana. I swear it's decent. I'm starving.
Hey, yo, them little Lays, how they got 2-inch Dorito Lays? Like,
I had to get them.
that's some new shit.
I ain't never seen that.
I ain't never seen that neither. It's good, Shaggy.
I started to get the shape.
No, you just was like,
For real?
You know, you drink something, you was like, man, she was hungry.
She was delighted, I ain't eat nothing. I ate a donut.
We haven't ate nothing since that little place we stopped at.
Oh, yeah, when we was on Ocean Drive. Yo, that salad went hard, yo.
We ate at the restaurant.
Nice for sure. Hit my inbox for the shirt.
When we stayed over here.
Uh-huh. I had a chicken and salmon salad. That shit was so good.
I did the fries, but I didn't like it.
What you gonna say? She ain't like her fries.
Oh.
I mean, she had bacon on it, but she
Sure,
said the
sure,
bacon was so
sure.
sweet.
Yeah, look at Gerald. What you think? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, God.
Gang
Miss
not
Janice, I ended up
on
live like that 'cause
kids
I got
no
banned.
more.
I still got I got banned the first day I was here.
Oh, no.
Did Brandon snatch his badge or something, or he dropped
There's
it?
some exercises that I be teaching my clients. When she is sitting in the bed, like actually like she put her heels in it. Like,
I knew it wasn't gonna be long after that time when Gang Gang was drunk and Keith and Brandon was on his live going back and forth. I knew it wasn't gonna be long after that before him and Brandon fell out, because the slick shade he was throwing at Brandon the whole time. Trust me, Brandon was acting like he wasn't fazed by that. But Brandon was taking all that in, and he was paying attention to everything Gang Gang was saying. Even though Gang Gang was drunk, you still was in your right mind. You know what you were saying. And I knew then it was going to be some issues after that by that shit he was saying to Brandon, because Brandon ain't the type of nigga where you could just, Brandon don't, and that's just like any real nigga. Ain't nobody going to let you sit up there and shade them like that in front of that many people, and then everything's still going to be cool between y'all. I knew that it was just a matter of time before he left Keys after that.
They said, why did it get banned? I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh, y'all know.
I went at the comments going, so I'm trying to see what Miss Janice, Miss White said, how long you stay up?
Thank you, Shanti.
I can only
Sit for 45 minutes.
sit up for 45 minutes. What time do you go to bed, Miss Janice?
What's up, boss up?
Well, that wasn't the job, Keith. That did the job. That was perfect, actually.
Yeah.
No, really, that was perfect. It ain't wide, but it's deep.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that was perfect.
I thought it wasn't enough. Yeah,
I didn't think it was gonna be big enough either.
I see you, G-Ball. Shanti. Oh, decent now. I swear to God. I remember Brandon. I was right here, G-Ball. Right. Should put that shit in the bowl. Yep. Oh, God. I like these orange juice.
Oh my God! Vaughn is so big. Oh my God! I thought that was shaky. Oh my God! Oh my God! She is huge. I thought that was shaky.
I ain't gonna show that. I ain't gonna show that. Nope, I ain't gonna take that out. How y'all doing that? Good.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna try it. I never tried it.
Jesus.
No, I'm talking about, their sauce. Is it a specific kind of beer? Or is it like any beer? That's crazy.
Let me throw some more pistols in the party up in here.
That's also she's still big. They must be talking about Vaughn. Damn, I did not know Vaughn was that fucking big.
motherfucker all the time. Let me see.
Hell no.
Myself.
These folks on the other end of this goddamn app be so hit, it don't make no sense.
It's hot dog. I'm done now. The first split that. I'm gonna go do it right now. Yeah, throwing down, shorty. Throw down is real, shorty. Look at Pete hooking up the shit,
Look
though.
at Miss White. She back. Oh my God. Well, I guess that was true what Leah said that Keith said he stick with her because he knows she ain't going nowhere, so I guess she wasn't lying about that. Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's on them next. Get my beer in, goddamn it.
Crazy. Look at Vaughn.
Shit about to be good, then I'm a motherfucker.
Oh my
That Sazoo? You
God.
can't go wrong with that Sazoo.
I put it on everything.
Oh my God.
That shit hit different, shorty.
But it's no fortune or missing because it's like, it's coming in another box, but this is what's the red, this orange one.
Good as fuck.
And guess what? The chicken, it's like paprika, but chicken. Listen, I
Y'all just had mad shit, we got more of that shit. Y'all know how niggas get down, man. Y'all try to act like we ain't from the hood, folks, like we ain't niggas. Y'all know how the fuck we get down with the chicken? Bitch, we do not play with the chicken. D-Mo just came downstairs finally. I had to go get his ass early. He be up in the room and shit.
I can't believe China 504 slept with him. Child, I can't. Oh,
Man, this shit hot as hell.
Ew.
Why is this fan out here though? They got a fan right here. This bitch blowing hot ass air. How you doing over here? You look good, huh? The mix is about damn near done, goddamn. One more flip. One more flipper, dude. Don't want to burn them bitches. You can turn that bitch down too if you need to. Boy, I gotta get this music cracking, sugar. Oh shit, 36, son. I bet you Sue ass still hooked up to the speaker. I told her that's to unlock from that bitch. That's what it is. I'm gonna have to leave y'all inside though. I'm gonna leave y'all inside. Hopefully don't nobody go crazy shit on my live while I'm out here. I gotta throw a pistol in the party too. What's up, muffin cakes? Yeah, I gotta throw a pistol in the party. If you let him cross the street, I don't think so. What's up, G-Ball?
It was like 5 minutes.
I'm gonna leave my horn here. They said we're the Easter, man. Wanna hit the people? Wanna talk to the people? They're looking for you. Come on.
Easter,
man.
Damn, he scared Damn, I wasn't ready for that. Child. Child, I can't.
What's up? I've been asleep. My stomach was hurting. How y'all doing? I rep my dog. You feel me? Gang. Yeah, I was asleep, y'all. I just got up. How y'all doing? A little bit. I just took a BC powder. They said that worked. My stomach was fucked up. I couldn't even move, but what's up with it? I ain't had no hangover though. It's just my stomach. Hey, Muffin Cake. What you doing? What y'all doing? Yeah, for real. Just waking up. Oh, I thought you was talking about me. You heard me? I was like, yeah, just waking up. You know what they want to see when I wake up.
That's what they want to see. They know the pee in your seat is
But you would know because you slept with her last time.
I was slept with who?
You slept with some doors. You were telling them no secret.
Y'all should have put it on.
Listen, I ain't gonna get it. Look, don't believe that shit, okay, y'all?
Y'all tried to do that shit.
Y'all, yeah, that was a setup.
Like that.
That was a setup. But let me tell you something. He's a gentleman. The nigga didn't touch me. Okay? We slept in. He was under the cover and I was on top of the cover. Fully dressed. Shoes on and everything.
Dog, listen, y'all. I went to sleep early before everybody. When I woke up this morning, this girl laying in my
Not
bed.
you look so different outside the car.
Shut up.
No, they didn't say that.
Demo? He like, Sue? Like, yo, think the fuck
They
you
tried
doing
it.
here?
They played too fucking much.
Hey, yo.
That shit really had me hot.
Hey, yo. No, you know what it was? Look, I was sleeping in a hammock. So I must have tried, I had to try one of the doors. You know how both of y'all run?
You was outside on the balcony?
I was asleep on the
Then
balcony.
who put you in the bed?
I must have got up and tried one of the doors. They door, Ebony said
So I
the
should
door
lock my door, so
locked.
you just came in my room and just
I
fucked.
probably did, bitch. I don't fucking know. I don't know. I was high. I was asleep, bitch. I finally crashed somewhere. No, we ain't gonna do nothing stupid. Dumbass, 'cause she wanted to do. Last time I first time around, you know, y'all. Okay. Hey, Michelle. Hey, sister.
What's up?
This nigga just woke back up again. Like, 1.8 miles.
Man, y'all is crazy, man.
They tried
Y'all
to Yo.
better than the flow. You gotta just think, waking up and turning over like, what the fuck? I'm like,
That's the same thing I said, Joe.
how you said that? You walked in there.
I don't remember where I walked at last night.
No, I don't know. She don't let her drink.
Yeah. I don't fucking know where I walked at last night.
Yeah, right. That's what I.
Did she got what?
A cash out.
Hey, how long was I asleep outside? You ain't get a picture? Where'd she go? Let me go see.
minute. Now, when Pastor was dogging Sue ass out, and he done dogged her out so many times, the church, this is the fake shit I be talking about. When he was dogging Sue out, the church had so much to say about Sue. They were talking about her like a damn dog, dogging her ass out. Now that he back cool with her, all I see in the comments is, oh, I love you, Sue. Oh, Sue know how to have fun. Oh, Sue this and so. Man, y'all so fake.
They just told her. They said you picked her up and you put her in my bed.
He was sleep out here.
Gang just told me, bro. Bro, we play with me like that, dog.
Like what?
Hold on, y'all. Man, itchy.
She said she wanted to go. She wanted to go sing this morning. It's 5 o'clock already?
Y'all see?
Damn, the town.
Yeah, this nigga did that shit, bro. Now we already gang just told on the nigga. He played too much, bro.
Were you even finding shit like that?
For real, bro.
Damn. I don't need to tomorrow night, like 3 o'clock.
Yeah, bro.
I watched that. Oh, we already
Pastor P.
Child, if Doormat was a fucking person, I'm convinced Miss White don't give a damn how many times Keith cheat on her. I'm convinced she there permanently. She don't care. They might as well just have a poly relationship at this point.
I see it's about to be one of them days already.
Who is that? Child, who is that?
Just make sure that you have the basics for a Sunday dinner.
No, the other one did. He had everything.
What did they do?
You want me to hold the joint over, like, so you train it? One of these? And I said, we can do old school. You want me to hold this while you hold the thing? That's what I was saying. It is.
Cooking that shit up, boy.
You check them burgers, then,
Yeah, you got them all. They all done.
y'all already eat the burgers?
I'm decent off the hot dog still, shit. I'm waiting till all the food get done. Shit, before I do anything
That's
else.
not how to get it. You don't want to be them when you done.
Y'all see the peak, man? The goat hooking it up right now, man. Hold on, what y'all just say? Hold on. Lock the room though when you go to bed. I'm weak as hell. I'm fucking dead, y'all. Tell him what's the word, nigga. Tell him. Hey, gang, can you walk away so you can hear me? Hold on. What you say? Can you walk away so you can hear me? What you say? I said, can can you walk away so you can hear me?
Yeah.
Yo. All right. I don't know what happened, but I just fell in somebody's live a minute ago, right?
Yeah.
And these motherfuckers is talking about you and doing the most. So I'm just gonna let you know now. They plan on being real messy in about an hour.
Fuck them niggas, man. You don't give a fuck about them niggas.
No, but when it come to you, gang, you don't be in none of that bullshit. So I'm like, I don't even know why y'all in there talking about gang like that anyway.
Yeah, let them.
Gang don't.
They door deal. Look, they just
Tim
telling
ass
us.
snitching. Oh, he back over there
That's
now?
right.
Oh,
That's
he...
all I want to do. I don't give a fuck what they talking about. On God. Just tell them that.
Put it like this: it's Ebony and all them in there doing too much about
Now,
it.
wait a god.
That was recorded last night. I don't know.
Okay.
All I know
Ooh, these folks are fake and phony, honey.
On my soul. I don't give a fuck what they
He
talking
was just
about.
up in Ebony
Tell
ass
their hands
crack
up on
not
G.
too
Fuck
long
they
ago.
Come on, them bitches too scared to leave the house. They ain't putting their hands up.
Oh,
that bitch
that's
can't
okay.
even walk around her own city. She ain't putting her hands up.
That's crazy. You know why them bitches worried about me for? Them hoes don't pay me or nothing. I don't mind them hoes.
Men that gossip,
And all the people in the
exactly.
comments talking about they gossiping. Nah, my nigga over here chilling and they don't know they doing the most. And gang don't
I
be
ain't
in none
never
of that
liked
bullshit.
him. I
So
ain't
leave
never
gang
liked
out of
him.
it.
He had like a bitch.
You know my favorite slogan? Fuck them niggas.
Yeah, I already know how you feel. So I just wanted to make sure you know when they already bringing your name up on some bullshit. I got kicked out the live for saying leave gang out of it, but now they want to be on some bullshit.
Well, I appreciate the love, my boy. Real talk.
They need to get off of that. They always trapped around that drama when it come to Keith. I'm like, y'all just so wrapped up in some bullshit. Y'all need to let this shit go.
I ain't worried about them folks. I'm gonna get my own chicken. I'm just worried about my chicken, shorty. Fuck them niggas.
He messy. Tim messy like a female.
So gang didn't know what was going on. Gang would have heard about it later.
My soul.
Y'all can't say he wouldn't.
My nigga, appreciate you, Tim. My soul.
Hey, Sue.
Hey, Tim. I know. I was about to go.
Oh, you good?
We about to go to the store.
Yeah, y'all know I ain't worried about them niggas, man. I don't even think about that yet. Folks, man, you know.
Sure, y'all ready?
Folks, man, y'all ain't talking crazy.
Y'all ready?
Wait a minute. Sue used to be flirting with Keith all the time. Oh my God, but she all up in Shay face. Oh, child.
Y'all keep my name in y'all mouth. Just put y'all motherfucking hands up on G.
Too much.
I ain't trying to do no talking on G. Y'all want to watch me over there? Watch me, though. But you put my name in your mouth, you ready to put your motherfucking hands up on G. Fuck y'all niggas.
So somebody must be talking about that. Okay, so let's see. Is Ebony live or something? What's going on?
Man is scared.
Who is this?
He did.
Is Ebony live or something? I don't see nobody live unless they was talking about gang earlier or something. Child, why they got Keith like this? Ooh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Damn, where was they at? Shit. Damn, where they at? Is this it?
Tim even been
Nowhere.
Yeah,
He's a ghost.
man.
He just crawled out under a rock. He don't even sit over there with the roaches. Like, nigga, please. And then on top of that, Tim got exposed. They pulled his background and he a whole rapist. Like, why y'all listening to him anyway?
Tim a
He
rapist.
don't even sit over there with Ebony no more. Ebony been
No,
kicked
he
that nigga to the
showed up.
curb. Yeah.
No, I know he wasn't talking about me, but he's snitching anyway. I never said he was talking about me. He's fucking up the content. Let shit go down. Let us watch. Why is you jumping in there doing all of that?
Right.
Like, man. Now you done got the shit turned up. No, that nigga just said he don't want to hear no more gang shit.
Right.
Just lying. I can't stand this motherfucker.
Girl.
Well, hell.
Gang. Yes. He is not, girl, I promise you, if I'm born and raised in Chicago, baby, ain't no nigga talking about on the G who is a BD. If what y'all saying is true, if he really a BD, he would not be saying on the G.
Right. That is a little
not
weird.
For nothing in the world. He just down there fronting and stunting. GDs ain't new.
Man, I seen how Keith was looking when he started getting the camera talking that gang shit. I'm like, didn't you hear this nigga? You got a whole bunch of salt in your beard, and you talking about on some gang shit. Shut up.
Child, why somebody got my name?
Crazy. You look like nigga gang.
I hate when folks steal folks' names on here. I know that I am the original Lovely Leo Obigo. I didn't start seeing Lovely Leo names till after I got Obigo. Then I started seeing these Lovely Leos popping up every goddamn well. Be original. Get your own fucking names.
A little hot, y'all. No, we was talking about what happened last night, child, when they got confronted in the club by them Zoes out there in Miami. Nigga, them Haitian Zoes, baby. Nigga, gang was doing too much and almost got them fucked up last night.
Sure did.
So it's a little, the tension and the energy over there is a little bit tainted. You know what I'm saying? It's the next day after that happened. Early this morning, how that happened. Baby Keith looks like he's still a little mad about it. Gang look, out of place. You know what I'm saying? Right. He ain't relaxed and kicking it and calm like he was before because Keith mad. Ooh. We just watched it, baby. Y'all missed it. We just played the record. Drop some, hey, make sure y'all hit the green plus sign. You got some bells, some bases. Drop a bean and don't be mean. Here, I'll show you how to watch it. Throw some beans, and I'll show you the end. If you can't hear it, put on headphones and you can hear it better. I'll show the end part of what we're talking about. Basically, this is after when they first walked in, after the situation when they got approached by, the Zoes. And anybody know anything about the Zoes? Look it up. Thank you. Thank y'all, period. So we're going to skip forward to how he's feeling after that went down, you know what I'm saying, in the club, and him leaving out of the club real quick because he, after he whispered to Gang. Thank you. Is Gang in Keys? I don't know.
He was, and then he got, they took his bag.
I don't know.
Like a couple
weeks in Keys.
That's
a good question, to be honest.
I figured they was going to do that. I knew Brandon wasn't going for that. All that shit Gang was saying that day. I got the recordings on my video.
With the headphones. Okay, so let's keep going. Oh man, why they show me this nigga outfit again? It's like I'm dog in the office again.
Shit in there.
So this when he was walking out the club because he was mad. Thank y'all for the gifts, boo. Period. I appreciate you, love. Thank y'all for gifting the panel. Make sure y'all following the Receipt Queen.
Thank you, China Beard.
And I just gotta point this out one more time, Tommy, before we continue. I just don't know what nigga that spends all this money on this shit gonna put his shit up on a dirty gate like that. That shit crazy. I mean, could you? I couldn't be that mad. Could you?
I could never. You could never.
No, I ain't fucking up my. I don't care how mad I am. I ain't fucking up my good shit. It's dirty. The gate is dirty.
Filthy. Could have had paint or anything.
Construction, dirt, dust. It's dirty. Why would you pack your nice ass outfit up on that? That's some hood ass shit.
The fuck?
That's some project hanging shit.
Somebody done put chicken all on the car. What the fuck? Look at this shit.
Ain't used to nothing ass shit.
Motherfucker done put chicken wings all on the car and ketchup and everything. The fuck?
Yeah, I think it was a message too.
We're in Michigan. Is that our car? Shit, I don't even know what car I came in, to be honest with you. Shit. I don't even know what the fuck I drove. I don't even know if that's our car.
Real quick, and me, that's why he was warned. He was warned. That shows the respect. They knew that they wasn't from there. It's apparent. You know what I'm saying? Duh. You could tell when a motherfucker come to your city that ain't from there. So the Zoes gave them the respect to come let him know and talk to him about it first. You know what I'm saying? So shit, did that let that nigga know that them niggas wasn't playing? You know what I'm saying?
You can't tell me people aren't scared.
Me neither. I would have been a little. You couldn't tell me like, whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, we got 30 minutes. I don't understand niggas, bro.
Yeah, that shit wasn't.
It ain't even nothing to say, man. I just gotta. I can't fuck with niggas, man. A liquor a bad motherfucker.
Hey y'all. Hey Southern Belle.
Ain't no excuses. I was asleep in the car on the way here. That's how much I drunk. You feel me? Now go in there, I don't want no drink. I'm already drunk. And niggas that been drinking more want another drink, and then they start some shit in there. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta think for motherfuckers you with, man. You start some shit, get everybody fucked up. You know what I'm talking about? I don't even know why. I'm telling you, the nigga just got blessed. Cause motherfucker just walked up.
Look, Fresh, watch yourself. Said Keith left his keys
That's why I
in
got
the bar.
So are you saying that you think he would have dipped out if he wouldn't have left his keys?
Fast.
Oh, you talking about in the thing? He left them in the thing in the club.
That's what I'm wondering. Watch yourself. Yep, she came to the box today when he went out and told him he left his. So he got out of there so damn fast he forgot his keys. You know a nigga scared. That's why not get in the car? Why is he standing around?
Well, maybe he wanted to. He was watching because you know what I'm saying. He don't know what's about to happen. Maybe he just looking around. Blah blah blah. Oh, the keys was in her car. So if she left the keys in the car, I mean, well, he did try to go to the car, remember? But the chicken wings was all over the car. But yeah, he's probably just trying to see what he can see because he don't know where the fuck this shit coming from. He paranoid in the motherfucker.
In one of the women cars.
Y'all play too much.
So Miss White didn't go into the club with them?
I don't think she went. But she's definitely there. But I don't think she went
We
to the
finna
club.
make this a
with them.
part 2 right quick, y'all.
Thank y'all for the love and thank y'all